Unit 3, the Northern Plains. In this chapter, we will learn about the Northern Plains lies towards the south of the Northern Mountains. Unlike the Northern Mountains, this region is flat and level. The Northern Plains stretch from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. They include almost the whole Punjab, Haryana, West Bengal, Uttar Pradesh, Delhi, parts of Bihar, and Assam. The northern plains have alluvial soil in most parts and are very fertile regions. The important cities that lies in these regions are Amritsar, Delhi, Agra, Kanpur, Allahabad, Lucknow, Varanasi, Patna, Kolkata, and Guwahati. Himalayan rivers. Many rivers originate from the ranges of the Himalayas. They flow through the northern plains. These rivers carry water throughout the year. It is because the snow of the Himalayan mountains melts in summer and forms water, and in the rainy season, rainwater flows in them. The Indus, Ganga, Yamuna, and Brahmaputra are the important rivers that start from the Himalayas. As these rivers travel in the mountains, they carry with them broken rocks, sand, and silt. During the rainy season, the rivers overflow and the silt and fine sand is deposited on the land. The silt and fine sand make up a fertile soil called alluvium. This is good for growing crops. The three important rivers, the Satluj, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra, divide the northern plains into three river basins. A river basin is the region watered by a river and its tributaries. The three river basins in India are 1. Satluj River Basin, 2. Ganga River Basin, 3. Brahmaputra River Basin. Did you know? The northern plains are called the rice bowl of India as they produce most of India's paddy. Satluj River Basin. The river Satluj and its tributary the Beas flow in the southwest direction. They join the Indus River in Pakistan. The Indus flows into the Arabian Sea. The states of Punjab and Haryana lies in the Satluj Basin. The Bhakra Dam has been built on the Satluj River. It provides water for irrigation. Electricity is also produced at this dam. Punjab and Haryana get electricity from this state. The Indira Gandhi Canal also takes water from the Satluj River. It provides water to Rajasthan. Wheat, paddy, cotton, and sugar cane are the main crops grown here. Ganga River Basin. The Ganga River originates as Bhagirathi from the Gangotri Glacier in the Himalayan mountains. It flows at a high speed from the mountain slopes. As it flows down the hills, it is joined by Alaknanda and Mandakini. The combined waters of these three rivers from the mighty Ganga. The Ganga enters the plains near Rishikesh. The Ganga has many tributaries including the rivers Yamuna, Ghagra, Gandak, Kosi, Chambal, Son, and Damodar. The Yamuna joins the Ganga at the place near Allahabad. This place is called Sangam. Another tributary Son joins the Ganga near Patna. The Ganga flows through the states of Uttaranchal, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, and West Bengal. After reaching West Bengal, it is divided into several branches. Many of them join the Brahmaputra river after passing through Bangladesh, our neighboring country. In India, the main branch of the Ganga is Hooghly. It passes through West Bengal. Kolkata, the capital of West Bengal, is on the banks of the Hooghly. In West Bengal, the Ganga splits into two branches, the Hooghly and the Padma. The branch of the Ganga in Bangladesh is known as Padma. Did you know? Rivers are considered holy and worshipped in India. The cities located on the river banks like Varanasi, Rishikesh, Haridwar, etc. are considered holy places. Brahmaputra River Basin. The Brahmaputra is the longest of three rivers of North India. It has its source in Tibet and there it is called Sangpo. It flows eastward and enters India in Arunachal Pradesh. It flows through Assam and then enters Bangladesh. The region through which it flows receives heavy rainfall. The Ganga and Brahmaputra, before falling into the Bay of Bengal, form the largest delta in the world. It is called Sundarbans. Many cities are situated on the banks of these rivers. Some of the important cities include Delhi along the Yamuna, Kolkata along the Hooghly and Kanpur, Allahabad, Patna, Varanasi along the Ganga. As the northern plains are very fertile, many crops grow here. So there are many industries in the region. These industries generate a lot of waste material and chemicals. These harmful wastes are allowed to flow into the rivers. This makes the river water dirty. It becomes unfit for drinking and other uses. The government has started a project Ganga Action Plan to clean the Ganga river and prevent its further pollution. Life in the northern plains. Punjab. Three rivers, the Beas, Ravi, and Satluj flow through the state of Punjab. The main crops of this region are wheat, paddy, oilseeds, and sugarcane. Punjabi and Hindi are the main languages spoken. The Bhakra Dam provides electricity to many industries. Ludhiana is famous for hosiery and woolen goods. Jalandhar is known for its sports goods. Amritsar and Dhariwal have mills that make woolen products. Amritsar is also famous for Golden Temple, the holiest place of the Sikhs. Gurupurabs, Baisakhi, Holi, Lohri, Diwali, and Dashera are the main festivals. Bhangra and Gidda are folk dances of Punjab. The women wear salwar kameez and men wear lungi kurta. Makki ki roti and sarson ka saag is the favorite dish of the people. Chandigarh is the capital of both Punjab and Haryana. The city is famous for its rock garden, rose garden, and Sukna Lake. Haryana. Haryana is towards south of Punjab. People speak Hindi, Haryanvi, and Punjabi. The main occupations of people are farming and dairy farming. Wheat, paddy, maize, jawar, bajra, pulses, and sugar cane are the major crops grown here. There is a big dairy farm at Karnal. Here, farmers are taught how to look after their cattle to get plenty of milk. Sonpat has many bicycle factories. Panipat is famous for its handloom clothes. Gurgaon is famous for automobiles. The women wear ghagra kurta while men wear dhoti kurta. Delhi. Delhi is situated on the banks of the Yamuna River. It is the capital of our country. It shares its borders with Haryana and Uttar Pradesh. It is the seat of our central government. This is a metro city. People from all parts of India live here. All major festivals are celebrated here. Many historical monuments are here like the Qutub Minar, Jama Masjid, Red Fort, Jantar Mantar, India Gate, etc. Lotus Temple and Akshardham Temple were monuments recently built. Uttar Pradesh. Uttar Pradesh is the most populous state in India. Lucknow is the capital of Uttar Pradesh. The main crops grown here are wheat, paddy, oilseeds, pulses, and sugarcane. Varanasi, Allahabad, Kanpur, Meerut, Mathura, and Agra are the main cities of Uttar Pradesh. Kanpur is an industrial city of this state. The world famous monument, the Taj Mahal, is in Agra. The traditional dress for women is sari and for men it is kurta pajama. The main festivals celebrated here are Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Eid, and Christmas. Bihar. Bihar is the land of the Buddha and Mahavira. Bihar is to the east of Uttar Pradesh. Patna is the capital of Bihar. The main crops grown are paddy, wheat, sugarcane, and pulses. Bihar has good mineral deposits. The main languages spoken here are Hindi and Urdu. The main festivals are Chhath, Diwali, Holi, Dashera, and Durga Puja. Jharkhand. The capital of Jharkhand is Ranchi. Jharia, Dhanbad, and Bokaro are the other important towns. Jharkhand is very rich in minerals like iron, coal, and bauxite. India's largest steel plant is located at Bokaro. West Bengal. West Bengal is in the east of our country. Kolkata is the capital of this state. The state has fertile land in the Ganga Brahmaputra delta. Paddy and jute are the main crops grown here. The most important festival is Durga Puja. The main language spoken here is Bangla. Assam. Assam is in the northeast of our country. The main crops are paddy and jute. The state is famous for tea. Assam has huge deposits of petroleum. The capital of Assam is Dispur, but the largest city is Guwahati. Bihu is the main festival and Assamese is the main language. Tripura. Tripura is surrounded by Bangladesh on three sides. The capital of Tripura is Agartala. The main crops are paddy and jute. New words. Basin. An area watered by a river and its tributaries. Perennial rivers. The rivers that have water throughout the year. Tributary. A river that joins a larger river after covering certain distance. Pollution. The process of making environment impure and harmful. Silt. The materials and sediment carried by a river. Delta. A triangular area of sediments deposited at the mouth of a river where it splits into smaller rivers before it enters the. Recap. The northern plains stretch from Punjab in west to Assam in the east. A number of Himalayan rivers flow through the northern plain. The three rivers that have played an important role in the making of the northern plains are the Satluj, the Ganga, and the Brahmaputra. The Himalayan rivers have deposited fertile soil in the northern plains. The northern plains include the states of Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, West Bengal, Assam, Tripura, and Delhi. The northern plains are thickly populated.